This guy's been killing me today. I gave him 2 spoons and he's been running around like the orchestra conductor of the world here all morning. You like your spoons? I've got spoons! He's just been running around like, ah, waving spoons around. You go conduct, bro. You do what you do best. Keep going. He's gone berserk recently in this walker. It's so funny with twins because you'll see him do all these different things in different stages. So Jet over there, wherever he is. Where'd you go, Jet? There you go. Jet. Hey, buddy. Jet crawls like crazy. This boy just now started crawling, but he'll run around like crazy in the walker, and Jet doesn't even move in the walker. So just interesting to see them figure things out all in their own little steps. Dun 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 dun. Hey, it's other brother. What's going on? Good to see you. Gotta back up because he's coming for me. He's like a speedster on this track. You are so speedy, mister. You got it. Okay, you get the camera. Yay.
What are you guys doing? Is this the most beautiful day you've ever seen?
Yeah.
The most beautiful day you've ever felt? Oh guys, we actually don't need any more sand, I don't think, because Kai did such a great job. So Kai, we filled up these buckets most of the way with sand, and now we're gonna fill up the rest with this dirt. You guys wanna help me?
Yeah.
Che, how are your eyes doing, bud? I was so excited that from the store we found these barrels. I've been wanting barrels like this for a long time. And now we're just gonna plant some pretty flowers and kids are gonna help. We love gardening. That's like our favorite thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we got all of my favorite kinds of flowers, some daisies, some ranunculus. Ranunculus are
Yellow.
the most beautiful flowers ever. Those are pretty too. You ready for this, Che?
Oh, a little bug.
Okay, let's do this.
Bonk.
You guys bonked heads.
There we go. We do the work. Can you put them in? Oh, yeah.
Good job.
Now that was your shovel.
Looks like we might need to fill it with more. It's okay.
Have it right here.
We've got dirt. It's all right. Yeah,
Oh, yes, do this.
it's okay to get a little dirty.
Now we need one more.
How's it looking?
A little bit more.
You want to be really gentle.
Yeah. So they don't die fast. I wish we had sunflowers.
Smile, Noe.
Can I feel some water again? Wait. again.
Noe, look at me and smile. Che, look. Oh, yeah.
Put your belly in it.
These are our little strawberry plants. Getting the weeds out. Trying not to pull out the strawberry plants.
Oh, I want to see the worm.
Get him, Che.
Boy.
Pick him up.
Yeah.
Yeah, you've got him.
Yeah. Got him. Ah! He's upside down.
Where'd he go?
Yeah.
Get him. Grab him. How's the allergies today, baby?
Good.
You doing all right?
You bear.
Hi, Juju Bear.
Bear.
Say another day,
Bear.
another grocery store.
Can
Can you say it?
Another day, another grocery store.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Let's go, my little duckies. Good job. Uh-oh, Kai's gonna crash.
Oh my gosh, what are you doing?
It's my sister-in-law. You're so beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
I really love this and this. Oh man, look how cute, look how cute.
Oh my gosh. You're gonna make me blush.
So this is my,
Oh, sorry. We'll let you through.
just like in the front
We're
of
just
the,
blocking
of
the
the
entire
store.
entrance of Aldi. No big
So
deal.
this is one of my sister-in-laws. We have lots.
We do have lots.
Yeah. So this is Joy, one of my
That's
favorite
really
people in the world.
close to my face.
Look at her. And the kids love her. Can you guys sing Aunt Joy's song? Sing her song. Is that a song you made up?
Yeah.
Oh my
my
gosh.
aunt used to do Tucky Tempo, so
Oh my
I turned
God.
it into a song because I loved going to my aunt's house.
Aww.
And she would tuck all of us in for bed. So
You're so cute.
I do it for our girls every night. And they demand that Mike does it and I do it, so we
Oh my
switch.
gosh. The kids are like, Mom, do Tucky time. I'm like, I have no idea what that is.
That's hilarious.
Okay, so sing it. Noe, how does it go? Because I don't know. I need to learn this. If you're requesting it, how do I know how to do it if you can't sing it?
I can send you a recording.
Okay. Shay knows it.
time.
Wormy time.
No, he's saying one-to-one. No, one time.
I should have what?
You should wait for me.
No.
Yes.
Joy is so sweet and she took 2 of my kids for me. Are you shopping with Aunt Joy, you sweetheart?
We're gonna go
We're
fast.
gonna win.
Oh, Che. Mr. Worm needs to go with you, Che.
Oh yeah, you
He's
gotta
got a worm.
Team Worm.
Okay, Team Worm.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I will, buddy. Okay, this is why we came, isn't it, Kai?
Yeah, baby food.
I get usually 6 of each of these. 2, 4, 6. Except I don't do the ones with greens yet.
6.
Yes.
2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4. Look how much baby food we have.
Woo! That was a lot.
How much?
I love their baby food because it's 79 cents and it's organic.
Look how much baby food
So that's a
we
good
have.
deal. Now, conveniently enough, we have this plant place over here, and we need a couple more flowers for our flower garden, don't we, Che? So let's go. We need to find more plants that look like ours, don't we?
Mm-hmm. I want to go down.
Here we go.
Papa, look up there.
Yeah,
Tiny flowers.
pretty flowers.
You look at these.
Begonias, those are really pretty, aren't they?
Mommy, look at these. Whoa, look at all of the pines.
Look at all the beautiful flowers.
Oh, big hose.
You hungry?
Turn on. Oh my. I need to get on the bubble hat. Bubble hat. This is like a train. Great. I'm loving this. This is such a beautiful place. Look at all these flowers.
What's your favorite color?
Look at how pretty these are. I can't believe people grew all of these. Or did people find these? Did people find these flowers? Or did people grow these flowers?
Very
Pretty.
nice. I love this one. My sister-in-law Joy is the best. Guys, isn't she the best?
Yeah, she's so nice.
She's so nice. I love her so much. I showed up to Aldi and she's like, she has 2 kids of her own and she's shopping by herself. And she says, let me take some of your kids with me to shop. And they had so much fun. They're like, Mom, we had so much fun with Aunt Joy. It's so sweet. Joy, we love you. We think you're amazing. And I'm so thankful for you. Ever since I had the babies, I have not been able to like hang out with people or be around a lot of people, even family members, and it's just been really hard to connect with people. And so I haven't seen her in a while, and I don't know. It's really good to see her. Hoping I can see people like her more often. But things are still crazy with me with the babies. Like, I was checking out, getting the plants, and both of the babies are screaming because they're hungry. Just feels like my life is crazy. So, anyway, all that to say, we love you, Joy. We think you're awesome. I got to tell this story about Che at the plant place. Che fell down, and he was standing on the stroller, and I pushed it, and he fell down. And he didn't really get hurt. He just, I think he just fell and didn't actually get scratched up or anything. And a lady that worked there came over and said, oh my goodness, are you okay? Because he was crying. He's like, yeah. She said, do you need a Band-Aid? He goes, yeah, that's speaking Che's language. He loves Band-Aids. And so she went off to get a Band-Aid, and he yells out loud, make it a Batman Band-Aid. Che, that was so cute. Did you really want a Batman Band-Aid? Were you surprised when she didn't bring you one? Che he's just at the cutest age where he says the most adorable things. I'm dying. He's so cute. We also saw a police officer driving in his, hey guys, can you be quiet for a sec? He saw a police officer driving in his car right by the Aldi. And I wish I had my camera on, because the police officer has his window down. And Che, what did you yell to the police officer?
I love you!
He goes, hi, police officer, I love you! Police officer was like, thank you. And he came out, and what did he give you guys? They have a badge today. They are police officers today. It's pretty awesome. All right, so we're headed home. It's almost 3 o'clock. I haven't had a legit lunch yet. All I had was an apple and 2 pieces of turkey, deli turkey. So, pretty hungry. Eating these gluten-free Aldi's crackers.
I'm hungry.
Rosemary and olive oil. So good. Okay. Everybody's always hungry. Want to know a downside of having free-ranging chickens? That everywhere you step is chicken poop, which makes it disgusting. I just cleared off our porch, like sprayed it all off a couple hours ago. Now it's all back to where it was. Oh well, at least we get good eggs. So now I'm gonna go put these new flowers in those pots over there. cleaned off the mats. Now the kids are having fun practicing. Okay, Che, go. You're doing it, Che.
I'll show you a handstand.
Okay, let me see. See, it doesn't hurt. That was fun. Whoa, Noah.
Let's see it, Kai.
Go, Che.
Joey.
Woo.